Hi kids! Welcome to Fishy Wishy World channel, where every splash brings a new surprise video. Let's go!
Bubbles' Journey Back Home.
Once, there was a small, playful baby fish named Bubbles, who lived in a colorful coral cave under the deep blue sea. He loved to swim here and there, looking at new things and meeting sea animals. One day, Bubbles was so curious that he swam far away from his home without telling anyone. After some time, he stopped and looked around. Everything looked new and strange. He couldn't see his coral cave. "Where am I?" Bubbles said, feeling worried. "Where is my home?" He swam past soft seaweed, slow-moving turtles and shiny jellyfish, but still, no sign of home. Bubbles started to feel afraid.
Just then, a friendly old starfish came near and smiled at him. "Don't be scared, little one," the starfish said kindly. "See those tiny bubbles in the water? Follow them. They will take you home. Your family is waiting for you."
Bubbles followed the bubble trail, just like the starfish said. He swam faster and faster, and finally, he saw his coral cave.
His mommy was waiting. She rushed to him and gave him a big hug. "Next time," Mommy Fish said gently, "please tell me before you go out."
Bubbles nodded with a smile. "I promise, Mommy."
From that day on, Bubbles always remembered to be safe, and he became the smartest little fish in the sea.
Every splash brings a new surprise videos. See you next time in Fishy Wishy World.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share.